Good morning students. In this lecture we are going to discuss composition of ratio. Clear? Using one ratio or using more than one ratio we can generate different type of ratios. That is called composition of ratios. So before going to discuss these ratios, clear? Let us discuss compound ratio. What is the meaning of compound ratio? Compound ratio. Clear? So suppose one ratio is given A is to B, second ratio is given C is to D, and third ratio is given E is to F. Clear? Suppose these are the given ratios, and you have to find its compound ratio. Clear? So what is the compound ratio? Compound ratio. Clear? So compound ratio of these three ratio will be, it is very easy, multiply all the ratio. This ratio is A by B into this ratio is C by D into this ratio is E by F. Clear? So this will be A C E is to B D F. This is called compound ratio. For example, suppose one ratio is 2 is to 5, and second ratio is 3 is to 7. Clear? You have to find the compound ratio. So what is the value of compound ratio? Compound ratio is equal to, it is very easy, this ratio is 2 by 5 into this ratio is 3 by 7, so answer will be 6 by 35. That is 6 is to 35. So I think you have got the meaning of compound ratio. Clear? Now the second reciprocal ratio. What is the meaning of reciprocal ratio? So simply if A is to B is one ratio, its reciprocal ratio will be B is to A. This is the meaning of reciprocal ratio. Now suppose one ratio is given A is to B. Clear? This is the given ratio, and you have to find duplicate ratio of this ratio. Clear? Given ratio is A is to B, and we have to find its duplicate ratio. So what will be its duplicate ratio? So it will be A by B into A by B. Multiply it 2 times. Clear? So it will be A square is to B square. So simply what is the duplicate ratio of A is to B? Clear? A square the term. A square is to B square. Now triplicate ratio. So what is the meaning of triplicate ratio? Triplicate means you have to multiply this ratio 3 times. A by B into A by B into A by B. So it means it is A cube is to B cube. Clear? So what is the triplicate ratio of A is to B? Directly you can say AQ is to BQ. Now subduplicate ratio. Clear? Subduplicate ratio is, see, it is square root of these two. Root A is to root B. Clear? And what is the subtriplicate ratio? So subtriplicate ratio of this ratio is cube root of A is to cube root of B. Clear? So directly, again I am repeating, duplicate ratio of A is to B is A square is to B square. Just square it, square the terms, you will get duplicate ratio. Now triplicate ratio of A is to B is AQ is to BQ. Just take the cube of each term. Clear? Now subduplicate ratio, it will be square root of A into square root of B. Take the square root. And subtriplicate ratio, it is the cube root of each term. Clear? So these are called composition of ratio. Now let us solve some question. Let us solve some question. One question is, if if x plus 3 is to 4x plus 1, 4x plus 1 is duplicate ratio of, is the duplicate ratio of 3 is to 5. 3 is to 5. Find x. This type of question is generally asked in the examination. So what will be its solution? X plus 3 is to 4x plus 1 is the duplicate ratio of 3 is to 5. Clear? So what will be the duplicate ratio of 3 is to 5? Duplicate ratio of 3 is to 5 is, clear? So duplicate ratio of 3 is to 5 will be 3 square is to 5 square, square it, clear? And in the question it is given that this one is the duplicate ratio of 3 is to 5. It means according to question, clear, x plus 3 is to 4x plus 1 must be equal to what? 9 is to 25. 9 is to 25. This is 9 is to 25. So or x plus 3 by 4x plus 1 is equal to 9 by 25. Now solve this, you will get the value of x. So from here you will get the value of x. This is the answer. Now let us solve second question. Question number 2. If 3x minus 9 is to 5x plus 4 is triplicate ratio of 3 is to 4. 3 is to 4. Find x. So here solution. Here it is given that this ratio is triplicate ratio of 3 is to 4. So triplicate ratio of 3 is to 4 is, what will be its triplicate ratio? See, it will be 3 cube is to 4 cube. And in the question it is given that this is equal to this one. This one is the triplicate ratio of 3 is to 4. We know that triplicate ratio of 3 is to 4 is this one. So this must be equal to this one. So according to question 3x minus 9 is to 5x plus 4 must be equal to 3 cube is to 4 cube. Clear? So 3x minus 9 or by 5x plus 4 is equal to 3 cube is 27 by, and it is 64. Now simplify this equation. Clear? You will get the value of x. This will give the value of x. So with the help of these two examples, I have tried to explain composition of ratios. So this is the concept of first exercise 7a. Then after that, after these concepts, you can start solving exercise 7a. So in the next class, we will solve all the question of exercise 7a. Thank you.